Welcome back to the DCS portal. I want to discuss a little bit about a couple different carpet cleaning techniques and the one that we utilize here at DCS. There's the old method of carpet extraction, which is your generic carpet shampoo, which a lot of your clients, as you move forward with your franchise, they envision carpet cleaning as a van pulling up to a building, sending in their hoses and their extractor and shooting hot water and extracting it from the carpet. You'll hear them use the term steam clean from time to time. And then there's the newer way and the newer method that we utilize here at DCS called the encapsulation method. There's a significant difference between the two processes, and for you as a franchisee, the one that we want you to utilize and to take a look at mainly is the encapsulation method. Now, the extraction method does have its place. However, it's more costly. It costs a lot more to get set up with the proper equipment. And frankly, there's issues with injecting at a high velocity hot water into a carpet. What happens is a lot of companies, and you'll see it as you're out and about on the job site, you run the risk of using the dirty solution tank and actually injecting that water into the carpet, and you have a whole world of problems. The other issue with it is by saturating the carpet and shooting that water in, if your carpet tech isn't taking their time and doing a good job and really extracting that water as they should be, you're gonna get a lot of residual chemical and water that's not only gonna be in that carpet, but also soak below to the padding and subfloor beneath it. So imagine a carpet with a small spot on it. Below that, you end up with, and this occasionally happens, it's called wicking. Just like the wick of a candle, in the carpet you have a small spot. Below that, the spot is actually a lot larger, and what's shown on the surface is only a small portion of it, just because everything's soaked in below to the padding and the subfloor. So what happens is, during the extraction process, rather than removing the stain and whatnot from the actual carpet, as that extractor is pulling up the stain, it's also drawing up what's beneath it in the padding and the subfloor. So the carpet may look good for a day or so, but in all actuality, you're really just extracting that stain from below the carpet and bringing it to the surface. So we call that wicking, and it's gonna reestablish the stain in the carpet and not actually take care of it. The other issue that you run into with the extraction method is the residual water and chemical that's left behind. Typically, it takes 24 to 48 hours for a carpet to dry after the extraction method, which, number one, for your clients, they can't be on the carpet, they can't move their furniture back on the carpet. Just creates a lot of issues as far as timing, number one. And number two, if there's too much water left in that carpet, after 24 hours, you run the risk of actual microbial growth within the carpet and below it within the padding. So again, cause for health concerns, so on and so forth. So the method that we utilize, the encapsulation method, it's greener. It's a lower cost startup for you to purchase the equipment and be set up to properly perform a carpet encapsulation, and it frankly overall does a better job. You can cover a lot more square footage. You can take your time, do a good job, still make quite a bit more than you would with the extraction method, and it's a greener process. We market ourselves as green. A lot of these guys with their extraction vans and extraction equipment, they'll pull over to the side of the road or a storm drain, and they'll just dump whatever contaminants are in the dirty water tank into that drain. And it's not very green. You have all the chemical that's still mixed in with it, all the dirty solution, God knows what. Our method is a low moisture system. We utilize a product called Release It. It's a fantastic product, and a system called the Cymex system. So our encapsulation method involves properly diluting the Release It product in the Cymex machine, simply walking behind the machine and making sure that you're covering, I believe it's an 18-inch path up and down the area of carpet that you're looking to encapsulate. So So what actually happens is that encapsulant, when it's foamed up within the carpet fiber, it actually entraps and encapsulates the dirt, grime, debris that's in the carpet. And as that carpet dries, which it only takes 12 hours or so to dry, all those contaminants will actually fall to the bottom of the carpet. So what happens is the next time that carpet is vacuumed, all of those contaminants are vacuumed up, and you're good to go. So the advantage is you don't have the wait time for the drying of the carpet, and you're able to turn over apartment units within a day, which a lot of our customers really, really like. Makes life a lot easier. So please, if you need any further information on the encapsulation versus the extraction method, jump on the portal, take a look at it. We have documents in there for it. And if you have any questions regarding how to get set up for the encapsulation process or the equipment that you're going to need, feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email as well, and we'll be happy to help.